Where are we at today?
Até ele abre mosquito chiriclia.
Kanya.
Hey, now I don't want no more bird shit on my tree. Taking them out.
Wiping them all out. I just keep them with the boys. I guess we gotta do what you gotta do, but I like that dye. It's fashion.
You like it?
Yes, but Google.
Danny, do that again. What you just did.
November 20, 2011. We're going pheasant hunting.
Okay, I'll take that one. We're getting ready to go pheasant hunting.
Yeah, I love you.
What kind of birds we going after today, Dan?
We're going after pheasant.
Pheasant?
Rabbit.
And wabbit.
Alright, what's this first? Okay, guys. Tommy's up, everybody. There's Rougeau, Washoe Fats, Tommy and Bobby. It's on.
Bouget, Walter, we're shooting back. Yeah, those dogs acting too birdie. Hey, MacGyver. Hey, MacGyver. Chukwal, there's a lot of chiricla through here. Then did you get where we shot it?
Yeah. We're doing a little better with our shooting now. Everybody's shooting and the birds are going down.
No, I'll tell you what it is. We're out of the robo birds. Yeah. Tommy, get in there. Danny, come on. He's on lock. Then no pray, but you tell it it's gonna take off. What am I doing? I'm videoing. What's my hand's nowhere near the trigger. Look here.
Yeah, I was nowhere near.
Oh, okay.
Why?
But
Okay.
He's got a point.
Tommy, look here.
Yeah, he's fast. Back it up.
all right, what do y'all boys got?
We got a couple so far. We still got a ways to go. Good hunt today.
Open
Really
them,
enjoying
open
it.
them up.
Open those wings up.
It's beautiful.
Beautiful.
That's a beautiful bird.
This is a male pheasant. It's a ring neck.
What I,
Come over here. Introduce yourself.
This is
Ron.
Ron. I'm Ron, the guide, and my dogs are the ones who keep messing us up.
Great job. We're really enjoying it. We're gonna make some pheasant pot pies tonight.
There you
cool.
have those for Thanksgiving.
There you go.
Open it, because we can't see how big it is.
Open those wings.
Now with pheasant, but what's the difference? I do chicken pot pies all the time.
Hey, yeah,
I
like
make them
that.
with pheasant.
It looks like a hawk. It's a thunder hawk. This is Danny with his earmuffs. His little ears get cold.
Thunderbird.
His little ears are always cold.
That is a bird. I love
He's always cold.
I think I got 3 back there. I've got 3. Who doesn't have? How many?
I got 3.
You got?
I think I got room.
You're 4th man out. You're video now.
How many you got?
2. Well, don't put me on a video camera, please.
Come on. We're out here in El Paraiso, Indiana. We're doing a pheasant hunt. We got a couple of dogs. We got a German Shorthair and a Brittany doing a great job. We got to wait for them to get on point.
Okay, guys. Why don't we just swing now? Just around about the edge of that sweet looking stuff. Kind of and right down the middle here. 2 way over. Oh!
Shoot! Shoot!
He was standing there on point. I saw him.
That bird's hit.
I didn't realize what he was doing.
That bird was hit. It had a slight hit in it.
Still going. Look at him, man.
Still going, right there.
In that fence row. Let's go get right. Let's go here. Go up and go get her. He's in that fence row. He was on point.
You want to finish this off first, Ron? Then we'll go that way. Yeah, let's swing around. Then we'll go after that one. Yeah.
You know what? I looked over and I thought the dog was over. He watched that bird very well. Yeah, he was standing there on point.
I saw him. He didn't look like he was on point. He was kind of crawling.
Kind of humped up.
Yeah.
Yeah, he does that. So his back's getting sore. Yeah, let's just swing now to our right.
Okay.
Damn, that's my fault for not watching my dog.
Did you get that, Tom?
Yeah, I got it flying away.
Let it flying over us.
No, I couldn't. The bird was too quick.
Come here, dog.
There you go, bird! Bird!
Come on, boy. Watch where that one goes.
Watch where it goes.
I'm shooting from here. I know no chance.
Right out
Right in front of that tree.
Right out the thick stuff.
We got 2 of them there. We got 2 of them there.
Come here.
Or a new gun.
We killed 6.
Gotta be greased.
Missed what, 10? Probably.
How many we got there, guys?
16. You want them on the tailgate now? Here.
Yeah, please.
Somebody.
Ooh, there's that pretty black one. Got that one on the south side. All right, that's pretty.
Can't beat that fish. Line them up, bud. We'll do them all on the purpose. We'll take pictures of them.
Maybe you should get 3. 5. How many did you get, bud?
3.
You got 4. 3 or 4.
Yeah, he carried one of mine. So I got 4.
We missed 10 at least.
We missed 10 wild ones. Higher.
That's an hour and a half. Ain't it?
All right, boys, we got done today with the hunt.
Had a blast,
What do we got?
guys.
16
birds.
16 birds.
I had about a 6.5 pound largemouth bass.
He caught him.
Awesome.
He fall hooked. He fall shot him. What they call a fall shot.
So the guys just cleaned the birds.
And the men
And
did it
we're
without a
going in after
sponsor.
we're done.
Without a sponsor, he did it too.
Did you guys enjoy the hunt?
Absolutely.
You guys had fun?
To do it again, fellas.
That was a blast.
Next time I come out, I definitely need somebody to carry me. So when we see us next
the
time,
last got me.
I'll be on Bujo's back.
We had to go through some brush, through some cones.
I put